Hi there, it's Martin once again, and in this video, I'll show you just how easy it is to add multiple accounts with Propel's powerful AI. Our AI technology streamlines the process by automatically pulling in brand-relevant topics, and even generating a media list and monitoring alerts, all with just a few clicks. Let's dive in and see how effortless this can be. First, click on your user profile picture in the top right corner of your Propel dashboard. Next, click Settings to access your account settings. Now, go to the Account section. Here, you'll see the Add New Account with AI button. Click on it to get started. Now, follow these simple steps. Enter the URL of your brand or company, or if you're managing a client, enter their brand or company URL. Propel's AI will automatically pull in several brand topics relevant to your entry. Then, verify the name for the account and click Next. Here's where the magic happens. Propel's AI will automatically generate a media list to get you started right away. You can even add specific journalists by typing their names into the box on the right. In the next step, enter the social media handles of your brand or company. And that's not all. Propel even prepares a monitoring query so you can start tracking brand mentions immediately. From here, you can either go to the media list or check out the monitoring alert Propel's powerful AI has created for you. That's it. You've successfully set up a new account with a media list and monitoring alerts, all in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to us at support@propelmypr.com.